Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pet Fisner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So today is a quick video about the MSI laptops. These laptops have a bit odd stuff when you're replacing batteries in some of their models. So I said I'll share this with you because I just had an issue with one here. It's a gaming laptop. When I've replaced the battery, unfortunately the BIOS defaulted the way that I couldn't put up the Windows, and I was dealing with that laptop not long time ago, and I've installed new SSD over there and etc. Like I've done it, so I knew that this laptop shouldn't have any abnormalities. So customer came to me with a new battery, and all we did is just unscrew and replacing the battery, put it back together, and Windows don't want to boot. Well, that's regular. So you check UEFI, you check legacy, you check security boots and other stuff. You can Google everything, so I won't be going into the details. So finally it boot up on the legacy. It didn't want to go through the UEFI. Okay, fine by me. I've booted up, and for some reason it was RAID turned on, so I've disabled the RAID as well. And then I'm going to the Windows, and it's crashing. It doesn't want to show the Windows. So I went into the recovery mode to start up the process and so on, and I've wasted only the time. The only thing which worked was to switching into the secure mode. So that was option 4, which is save mode. So it's a low resolution, everything is disabled. So I switch on that mode. There is a second option with networking. I didn't check that one, but I checked the save mode. It was option 4. And then once I seen that it is working, I've literally restarted, and it started to working normally for no reason. So yeah, in BIOS you just check if you've got a RAID on and UEFI or legacy. That might vary from case to case, but apart from that you should have only the boot device priority setting, and that's like you shouldn't have any stuff over there going. But this this recovery mode and this whole thing, it's a bit odd. I never had it before, so I thought I'll share it with you, and that's all the video there is for today. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe you've learned something new. If so, leave us a like button, and see you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all. Bye bye.